Hello, we are W3IT Experts, a trusted web and mobile development agency dedicated to crafting high-quality digital solutions that empower businesses to grow. From stunning Figma designs to scalable WordPress websites, high-converting Shopify stores, and robust Laravel applications, we deliver innovative and user-friendly solutions tailored to your unique needs. We also specialize in enhancing existing websites, offering redesigns to keep your site fresh and modern, responsive conversions for seamless performance on any device, and custom mobile apps for WordPress sites to extend your reach. Additionally, our content writing services and feature enhancements ensure your digital presence remains engaging and impactful. At W3ITEXPERTS, we combine creativity, technology, and expertise to help your business thrive in today's competitive digital landscape. Let's build something extraordinary together. Contact us today.